Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to take a break from Facebook. So first of all, you have to open your Facebook profile, then open your friend list, and right now I'm gonna take a break from this friend. So I'm gonna opening this profile, and now I'm clicking on friends, and here we can see take a break option. So click on it. Here you will get three options to take a break. Click on see options, and here we can see some option to take break. See up to anywhere on Facebook, you can select this option. Also you can select this option, and if you want to see more option, then click on see more options, and here you will get more option. You can unfriend your friends. You won't be friends on Facebook. You won't see each other's post in news feed, and you won't see him in most other places on Facebook. You can select any of them, and here you will get more two option. See all the options and take a break from those options you want to like. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.